All right. Hi, fourth graders. This is me, Mr. Steinberg. Just wanted to say hello and also to apologize because I just sent you and your parents um, another email with way too many words. So I apologize, but I wanted to send this video out to just let you know that very much looking forward to next week, and I hope you are too. Um, I just want you to know that whatever happens next week, if you have any issues or if something doesn't go the way you wanted it to, it's fine. Just give yourselves a couple of weeks to get used to the program again, or if you're brand new, just give yourself some time to get acclimated and ask questions. Reach out to me. Let me know if something didn't go well or if you can't find something or whatever it is. Just let me know and I'll definitely discuss it with you and we'll figure it out, together. Um, the other thing is I wanted to remind you that I placed on your planner 3 invitations for live lessons or opportunities to attend a live lesson next week. You don't have to attend all 3. Um, but if you can, it would be fantastic if you could attend at least one. So I think 1 out of 3 is pretty good. And if you want to, you can attend all 3. And it's just kind of an opportunity for me to show you some things as we slowly build some of our resources throughout the school year, especially here at the beginning. It's a chance to see each other, myself and some of the other friends and students in the class that we have. It's a chance to ask questions. It's a chance that maybe if you just want to hang out in the background and just kind of observe. So it's just a chance to kind of be together at kind of the same time, but maybe not the same place, but in the same, place, virtually. So anyway, so enough words. Please, if you have any questions about the email that I sent, let me know. I'm going to place this video as a link in the section where I talked about welcome calls. There are some families I haven't spoken to yet, and it's Friday morning, so my goal is to speak to everybody by at least next Wednesday, or I should say by no later than next Wednesday. So that's my goal. So if you haven't heard from me, just know that I know that, but I'm slowly and methodically making my way through all of the wonderful families that have enrolled this year. So I look forward to speaking to you also. And I think that's it. Please enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend, and I just look forward to next week. I'm very thankful, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting started next week, and I hope you are too. Okay, so thank you so much, and yeah, take care.